Good morning everyone. I am Madhusmita and today I am going to explain you about business stats. Our subtopic is mean deviation. So today we are going to learn in detail about mean deviation. So let's start. First we will learn the definition. First we will learn the definition. The mean of the absolute values of the numerical difference between the number of a set, such as statistical data, and their mean or median. The mean deviation is the numerical distance between the numbers of a set, such as statistical data, the difference between the statistical data and their mean or the median. The formula is 1 by n summation n by I equals to 1. Data value is this in the set minus average value of the data set. The mean deviation. What is mean deviation? Since the definition of the mean deviation, since range is based on only two observations, it is not regarded as an ideal measure of dispersion. A better measure of dispersion is provided by mean deviation, which, unlike range, is based on all the observations. For a given set of observation, mean deviation is defined as the arithmetic mean of the absolute deviation of the observation from an appropriate measure of central tendency. Let's the variable x assume n value as given below. So here values are given. Let's see this. Then the mean deviation of x about an average a is given by mean deviation average equals to 1 by n summation mean deviation average equals to 1 by n summation xi minus a. For a grouped frequency distribution, mean deviation about a is given by mean deviation equals to 1 by n summation xi minus a into frequency, hence fi. Then where ni equals to summation of frequency. In most cases we take a as mean and median, and in most cases we take a as mean or median, and accordingly we get mean deviation about mean or mean deviation about median. Coefficient of mean deviation. A relative measures of depreciation applying mean deviation is given by coefficient of mean deviation. Mean deviation about a upon a into 100. Mean deviation takes its minimum value when the deviation are taken from the median. Also, mean deviation remains unchanged due to a change of origin about change, but change in the same ratio due to change in scale. Now we are going to see the properties of mean deviation. Mean deviation takes its minimum value when the deviation are taken from the median. Mean deviation remains unchanged due to a change of origin, but change in the same ratio due to a change in the scale. It is based on all the observation and not much affected by sampling fluctuations. It is difficult to comprehend and its computation. Now these are the advantages and limitations of mean. Advantages. First we will see the advantages. Mean deviation advantages is take amount of all value of calculate the average. limitation is very minute or very large value can affect the mean. Then advantages, next point is it is easy to calculate. So the limitation is the mean cannot be calculated by categorized data, as the values cannot be summed. Then this you can see, this is a solved problem of mean deviation. What is the mean deviation about mean for the following number, that is 5, 8, 10, 10, 12 and 9. Solution is given here. The mean deviation is given by x equals to, all the numbers are added and divided by 6. When the numbers are added, the total is 54. Then 54 is divided by 6, we get 9. That is our mean deviation. Now, computation of mean deviation about AM. What is AM? There is a table given here, that is, one is mean deviation and the other is xi minus mean deviation. Mean deviation minus